I got this shovel in a fan mail and it's supposed to be super cool. Okay, there's a little wire saw. It's cool. Not the most powerful thing. But yeah, this thing I seen all over the Facebook, YouTube. Look at that. There's actual almost like a blade. Very sharp shovel. Seems to be high quality. There's some kind of like a bottle opener and stuff, rope cutter maybe, I don't know. Very good looking shovel, that's for sure, and high quality. Little spear over here with a hook. I think it's perfect for fishing and stuff. Okay, wow, this is epic. This is so cool. This is extra grip over here, whistle, fire striker flint, very nice. I will put it back. Wow, this is epic. All these grips are so good. Okay, let's pull out some more handles over here. Oh wow, there's a knife. Okay, there's a lot of folding shovels. This is definitely one of the best ones, I could tell already. But we'll put it to the test. There's right here a little spear that you can build up. Wow, it's a long way to go to put it in. That's nice. And obviously you can just add on to it. I like how tight it is. Screw on over here. This is definitely high quality. There you go. And you have a little spear. You can add on even more pieces. Looks like we can put this spear in, which is very nice. Very sharp knife. Looks good. I'll put it in like that and screw it on. Boom. Wow, this is so good. You see all the spears and knives, you can build with them, no problem. You know, I have put to the test recently a shovel, and what happened to me, this edge over here broke on me. Okay, how do we adjust the shovel? Okay guys, this is probably the best break apart shovel in this kind of design. I'm so glad they sent me in the fan mail. Look at that, you press it like that and it turns. Instead of turning it, there's no turning pieces. So let's go dig something. We'll start with digging. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. You want to build fire pit? Whatever. Build a hole around the camp. No problem. This is nice. Digs it very well. Let's say you got to the some kind of really thick piece. You can dig it like that. Look at that. Let's use some leverage. Wow, look at that. I can't believe it. I wouldn't do this to the shovel, but just for the test, as you can see, there's quite a lot of leverage and it's not breaking. I like it. Wow. So that's very durable. And now let's say I wanna push everything back in. It got unspinned. Of course it will. Let's make sure it will do it tight. Okay, nice. Push it back in. Wow. Okay, this is the shovel I'm using. Once you're done, put your fire pit away, the quarter fire pit, whatever. Nice. Now another test, a stick test right here. Let's try to chop it off. Again, wearing gloves almost slowing me down over here. Those gloves kind of thick. We're almost halfway through. It is a little bit on spins sometimes, but not horrible. Nevertheless, I love this shovel. It's survived the test, still usable. I like that a lot. I'll probably be using a regular hatchet for a bigger stick like that, but if you need to chop up the brush, nothing epic, that's useful. But you saw it. I was really smashing this shovel into the dirt and it's just so durable. This is nice. So guys, this is my third survival shovel I put to the test in this kind of design, break apart. I never seen very comfortable handle side here with the stopper over here. It was very comfortable to dig and stuff like that. Also you have here fire starter, a knife, a whistle, and very cool option, a little spear full, kind of a look like a spear fishing into the lake or the ocean, whatever. Very heavy duty, I can't believe it. It's so thick, it is heavy. I beat it up so hard, it's still alive. The oxide here, more like a knife. You still, maybe if you take off even more handles, probably would have had better leverage. So overall, I think out of 3 that I have put to the test, this is the best shovel in that kind of design. Got it here, flush tray. I think I got it from Fun Mail with whole bunch of survival stuff. So we're gonna put it to the test today. It's about 50 degrees today, kind of cold, maybe even less, but no clouds. So the question is, will it start the fire in a kind of cold day but very sunny day? Let's find some dry leaves. It feels pretty dry, and then we want to push it into this thing like that. Okay, sun is over there. We're gonna point it right on the sun. It's best to use glasses and stuff, and look at that. You see that little reflection? You want to get it right? Ooh, wow, smoking instantly. Ah, it was hot. That's crazy. That's actually very good stuff right here. Okay, it's smoking the other thing. That is awesome. In a cold day, but sunny day. Right now we have spring, so it's not the hottest sun ever. You know, summer is the hottest sun. And look at that. You get to smoke it pretty much instantly. Okay, I've pretty much lost everything, but we know that leaves can get on fire. Let me get something more of that stuff to get it going on fire quicker. Okay, this time I really stuck it up. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, smokes instantly. Look at that. I can't believe how powerful that is. Usually I have hard time in this climate where I'm at in the mountains. Sun is just not that powerful. We have a lot of clouds, or even just maybe the gadget is not powerful enough, but this one has no problem. We have a little bit of coal up there, and then if you think it's hot enough, you can just stick the whole thing in. Ah, we lost it, but I saw the hot coals in there, that's for sure. Let me get something easier to light up and see if it gets on fire. You know what's cool? On the other side we have here a really big signal mirror. That is awesome. So I got my chalk cloth, and we got one cloud in the whole sky. This is all empty. So this is minus about these little things, that if you don't have any sun, you have to sit here and wait. And with chalk cloth, it doesn't take a long time. Once you have a little smoke, give it a little blow. Just make sure we're gonna keep it in there just a tiny little bit longer. There you go. We all know how hot chalk cloth gets. Just to make sure I have another piece of chalk cloth like that, I'm gonna just dump it out, this chalk cloth on that chalk cloth. Make sure it doesn't fly away. Ah. There you go, and we got the fire. Just keep editing on leaves, then you have twigs, whatever. Sun went away, as you can see, not a big deal. We had the chalk cloth on fire. We got the fire going. Obviously I'm just gonna end it with leaves, but you know what to do. Just keep editing twigs, more leaves, till you got a good fire going. You don't want to lose it in case sun will never come back. There you go. Started the fire with one of these solar things. For this gadget I got right here spork spatula and then combine into the tones. How cool is that? Let's put it to the test. I have here fire going, burning out. Look how hot the coals are. So we're gonna drop a grill on it and grill a couple of sausages. So spork pretty nice for sausages, grabbing them. Also looks like a spatula, nothing sharp on it, but this is kind of saw-like blade to where we can cut it up and stuff. And the coolest part is, look at this knob, just put it into it, and we have here really nice stones that open up very wide. I like it. I do not like stones usually, don't open up that high. So let's cook a couple of sausages. Look how easy that is. Also you can use it the spork, but with the spork you see it might fall off. This is much better right here. You grab it, hold it. I think the flat side is probably be easier. And look at that, the spork does penetrate it too, to where you can set it up. Ooh. And whenever you need to reposition or flip the sausage, no problem. Look how fast it's cooking. Whoa, I almost need gloves, it's so hot. Okay, one more time. You got right here a little spatula for the burgers. You can grab them, flip them over. I don't have any burgers. With the spork, spork very tiny, so it's mostly for like soup, I would say. But whenever you put them together, locks it in a little bit. You still have to hold it. This is kind of nice. Look at that. You can slide it in, grab it, flip it over. Beautiful. And once you're done and you wanna put them away, which way? This way, like that. Look how well it locks in. Oh wow, I didn't even know. You see there's a little latchet. You put it in and it stays together. Look at that. If I grab by one thing, it's not coming off. Okay, got out here perfectly cooked breakfast sausages. I think this is the easiest way to grab it. Also, if you want to break it up and cut it apart, you could use this side. So nice. But perfect for soup. I wish they would make it a little bit more pointy. But yeah, still usable as a fork. I got it here, portable cart type stove. It's brand new, but it is pretty vintage. I got it from eBay. I don't know, maybe it's not so vintage, but let me show you what it's all about. So it's like a mini burner. You know those box burners for camping? They sell them all over Walmart. You got right here a super mini one. Wow, this is amazing. That's so cute. I love tiny stuff. What is this? Oh, that's how you turn it on. And look, you plug it in and turn it. That is so awesome. And it's also for the big pots. Looks like I don't know, nothing happening. Is it all the way in? I think I got to turn it all the way in. And also let's open this stuff for the bigger pots. If you have a tiny pot, you can obviously close this and put a small mug, type of metal mug, you know what I'm talking about? I know. Oh, there you go. I see. You just have to flip it all the way around. It kind of comes off easily. Let me close it. There's nothing else to hold in it. Nope. So let's put it in and twist it all the way around. So that way it does not come off. Still wanna kinda come off. Whoa! Maybe that's why it's vintage. The connection problem for sure. It's still burning out there. So I see why it's kind of vintage, because right here something need to hold it on the bottom, because whenever I plug it in it's nice, but then it's starting to fall out on me. And you see I'm talking about, even if I spin it all the way, you see it starts to lift. So there is a connection issues. They should have few holes that something holding it, because whenever I'm putting it down, okay, it's unlocked. Even when I try to open it a little bit. You hear it? It starts to give away almost too much gas. Oh, there you go. It's kind of works. Look at that flame. It's kind of giving away too much flame. Doesn't really adjust well. But there you go. You have here a burner that you could put on a big pot like that. Nice. But again, I don't see much heat protection against this tube. I don't want this thing overheat. So I would probably put it on lowest, like this right here. And it burns pretty good. It's cute, but it is not very safe. Oh my gosh, it's already simmering. There is not much water. But yeah, there you go, guys. Very unsafe mini stove right here. It's cute, but I don't like that there's no protection from this thing, and it kind of sits super close to it. And look at this adjustment. Whoa! And whenever I try to turn it off, it shuts off slowly. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. Maybe put it into my collection, but actually never use it. So yeah, unique little thing, that's for sure. I wish it would actually be safe and worked really well, because once you're done, look, it locks in so cutely, so small on that kind of butane gas, you know, from Walmart that you can buy all day. Going to put to the test pretty unique shovel over here. So the Alpha 2 shovel. Looks like a folding one. Let's unbox it, see what it's all about. Mainly what I'm going to do is show you how it works, and also will put to the test the durability of it. Obviously I'm gonna be keeping it. I have lots of land here. Will be very useful over here. So how do we take it off? So looks like stays together very good. You can put it on your side-by-side, Jeep, in the back of your SUV, tractor, whatever. Super cool. Now let's start to take it off. How do we pull this out? Oh, there you go. Just press it and it will come off. Put it to. You know, guys, I love unique tools. That's definitely one of a kind. Kind of pin don't come out on this side all the way. Hopefully it won't be a problem. Feels super lightweight and super long. Let's go dig up a couple of things. Hopefully it does not fall apart on me. First impression, a little bit wobbly. The handle is not solid, you see? It's moving around a little bit, but it is a folding shovel. Look at that. Pull a bunch of gravel. It flex pretty good, but as you can see, pretty powerful. Lightweight, because rock already heavy. I don't want to make my shovel on top of it super heavy. Okay, look at that. I'm really pushing it to the test now. Widen it out over here a little bit. In case you want to get it much smaller, just get it like that. Now you can work in the smaller areas under the tire. You really have to pinch it though without the glove. Kinda a little bit annoying about that. There you go. These pins could have been improved a little bit. They completely fell out. You can get a really short handle, work under the tire and completely put it away. Okay, and then to lock it in, just push it through this way and that's it, ready to go. I know why it's not lugs back in, kind of. Now it's falling off. Super nice shovel, but this pin's supposed to now hold this thing in place, and it doesn't. Those pins could be much better, but overall very lightweight. Snow shovel, dirt shovel, gravel shovel, very good. I really thought it would break easily, but as you can see, I could push around quite a bit of dirt. Very unique tool, thumbs up for me.